Hey guys, it's me, Always Amara, and today we're going to do another DIY paper squishies. If you like them, comment down below. So first I'm going to get my silver. I'll just use this one. Yeah. So let's do, first we're going to do a circle, big circle. And then we're going to do the eyes. First let me see, because I have one blue and one black blue and one like black. So here's is this black? Yeah, it's the black. So we're gonna do some eyes. Guys, it's okay if you mess up with the eyes because you're only gonna be beautiful and awesome. So first, and then we color it in. Then we color a little line. And then we just do some little panda like feet, and then we just cut them, like do a little line just like we did, and then give him a little happy face and do a little ears for this panda and little arms. He's turned into a panda, guys. And then we just color a little bit black here, little line black here, and then right here too. And guys, and then we do the same as always. So we're doing that, do the same thing that we did to the ears, of the lines, and the arms. And then we are gonna use some pretty colors. So if you want to add some eyeshadow, I'm going to add purple eyeshadow. So yeah, some eyelashes. I'm going to do some eyelashes. So cute. It's okay if you make mistakes because I make mistakes with my eyelashes. And now you can color it in, but I'm going to use these colors. I'm going to use red. Let me get the other red here. I'm just gonna use red, pink, and I'm just gonna use 3 colors to color this, and orange. So first I'm gonna do pink for color the toes, and then on the top too, and the same as the other. And now I'm gonna use red for the arms. So yeah, we're gonna use red for the arms. I'm pretty sure I love squishies. So that's why I started making up doing squishies. So I read it in my mind. And then I read it in my mind. So yeah. And then I'm going to use some other colors here, 3 again. So I need green, purple, and yellow. So where's yellow? Here it is. Yeah, got the yellow. It's a little yellow because I have a lot of colors that are different. So first we're gonna do the green for here, of course. And then we're gonna use the yellow. I love yellow, guys. That's why I like yellow. I just love it. And then I'm gonna use purple. Oh my god. I'm gonna use purple. And then I need 3 colors again, because I'm doing rainbow. I'm gonna do blue, pink again, pink, orange again, and what colors are we missing? Red again. Okay, so those are the colors and then I'm gonna start with the red. Then I'm gonna start with the purple. Oh, I already have purple. I kind of forgot. put this one back in. I always forgot. Okay. Wait, I have to color. And there's one more. It's orange. Orange, 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 orange. Look at that, yummy. That cool orange. So, okay, guys. Now we can cut it out. Look how mine turned out. I'm not gonna like color in here because I don't like coloring a little bit. I like coloring, but I just don't want to color that one. So yeah, you can do color it too because then it's gonna look like a real bear and it's gonna be squishy very cool. So let's cut it out. If you don't see me, then that's okay. You just don't try to cut the bear, but it's okay if you cut the bear because you can always like pause me and then so you can always pause because I am like fast for this because let me put that over here until I finish this. This is so fun. I love this. Like, cut it out. Put that there. I'm laughing for no reason, but I like laughing. Oh no. This is the cutting bear action. I cut the bear's toes, but it looks like this. But it's okay if you cut that because then it's gonna be looking more like a bear. I cut the bear, but that's okay. Okay, I'm done. So this is how mine turned out. And now we just have to do the other one. Grab another paper. So let me see how we started. We started with silver. Do a circle. Go with black. Let me see. So let's see if this is the real black. No, this is glow. Gosh, it's having a hard time, a very hard time. We're gonna do the one like we did in the other one. The eyes, the mouth, the ears, the feet. Then you do a little line, the hand. And then we color in a little bit with the bear's ears. Need all the colors that we picked. We picked green. I'm just saying, in my hands up, guys, you can look at it too. We need green, and then we need orange. Pink. Purple. And what do we need again? Red. So first, we're gonna do these. The red. I can't know what it's called. But this is orange for the ears because I'm seeing it, and then the red for the hand. I kind of forget what yes. And pink for the leg. And then we do the green in one side. And then we do the purple. After the purple is blue. Put a big blue sign and pick some here. Now after blue is pink. And then after pink is orange. And then yellow. What's yellow? Oh, I forgot to pick it. Here it is. Let me just get it in. Get the little yellow and color it orange. Okay guys, now it's time to cut it. We're gonna fast beat again. First, let's put our markers back so it can be nice and tidy. And now we just move this, get my red scissors, and cut it out. Oh wait guys, we forgot the purple eyelashes. Let's put them in. There we go. And now we can cut. Okay, let's start. Guys, I almost cut the patches like hand. That was so close. There we go. Am I gonna cut? Yes. Don't cut it, don't cut it, no! Yes! Cut a little bit more if you have some shapes. It wasn't my eye! Okay, so let's move this over here. Now that we have the two handles, now we need some tape. So, guys, my mom's gonna get it for me. Hi, Janelle. Hi, Carolina. Hi, Kevin. Thank you so much for watching my video, but I'm not done yet. I have this, and then we break it. There. And now we tape them together. Here, we tape them together. Tape them together, and it's okay because mine is little than the bigger, but that's okay because it's gonna be like two, like this. Do. So yeah. Oh no! The accident. Little accident. If it was like going right here, and I don't know why, but. We're gonna tape it in. Oh no, I'm running out of tape, but Mom's gonna get more. Just have one more, but my mom's gonna get more. My mom's a hero. So first we're gonna tape it. Okay. I just love being used Carolina and Kevin with you guys and Janelle. So yeah, that's why I do this video for you guys, because I love your parents. I love how you treat your friends and stuff. Because did you go to school? Because I go to school. It's so fun. I'm just liking this, and I'm liking you, so yeah. Keep it in. No. I did it. Oh no, my brother. Oh, I hope he doesn't ruin my video. I hope he doesn't. But my mom is gonna save today. Put some stuff in the ear. Put it in the ear. I know it's always on the little side. So it makes it extra good. Extra, guys. I just need to add more of this, but I'm just like taking the accidents first. Let's see if there's no accidents. There they are. Okay, there's no accidents, so I'm gonna put it right there and put some on. So I'm gonna like to open it up and put some stuff in. Yeah, I'm going high and low. I don't know why, but yeah. In there. Ah! I don't just tape it in. Here. Oh, I forgot that. Put it in the ear. Ooh, guys, yours and mine are getting squishy. Put them in. Yes, I love when we make squishies with you guys. It's so much fun because you get to do amazing squishy crafts. Yeah, so it's so amazing. So everything can be fun. And I'll put them in. And then that's enough. Ah! Ah! Ooh, wow! That's a lot. Push it in, push it in. Push it in. Clip it in, clip it in, clip it in, clip it in. Oh no, I need some more. Mommy, give me some more, please. So yeah. I'm sorry the other video that I was saying fancy. I just like, I'm sorry. So yeah. Put that in. Guys, does that look good to you? Because to me, yours looks good. That's why I'm taping. Let me just cut this. I'm just cutting it out little. So I'm going to put this one somewhere that I have accidents. Like, I mean the other one that I put right here. Do I have any accidents? Nope. So we're just gonna put this. Oh, I do have an accident here. It has a hole. Do you mean accident means that there's a hole somewhere? Here's the other and guys, we finished our squishy Panda Rainbow Squishy. Guys, I had so much fun with you guys. I hope we can join again. Comment down below if you like our videos. So yeah, bye guys.